Hey y'all, it's Natalie, and today I have an unboxing for you from A Cherry on Top. I just got this little package. I thought we'd open it together. So, the Technique Tuesday in February is focused on washi tape. So I'm still working my way through our vacation album for my boy's birthday trip to Universal Studios, where we did all the Harry Potter things. And so I decided to pick a few Harry Potter washi tapes because I didn't have any. And I will be working in my Harry Potter album with this challenge, if you will, for Technique Tuesday. So I'm excited about these. These are from Paper House Productions. They have licensing rights with Harry Potter. So they're like the licensed good deal stuff. And so I don't like the chibi stuff is cute, but like it's not really my vibe so much. So I really like these that are really versatile. This one has stars, it's skinny, and then this one has books and owls and glasses and broomsticks, and then this one's just the crests of the house, and then this one is the different names of the houses. So that'll be fun. What else do we have in here? I see more Harry Potter goodies. I did get a new pin. This is a Reminisce gel pen. Let's just try it out, you know. And just grab a little scrap. I got kind of a mess on my desk because I've been working on a different album recently. I'll show that soon. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. That'll be a good journaling pen for doing my journaling and my layouts. I like that. So let's just stick with Harry Potter. I don't know. That might be it. No, I see more. Like I knew it. I have like a whole box of Harry Potter things that I've been using, but I had these already and I've used a bunch of them and I just love them so much. These are one of my favorite products. Again, Paper House Productions. They have the licensing rights. So these are fun. They have like little acetate bits in them and they're 3D and they've got sparkle and glitter. I just love these. And then this one is a bit that I didn't have, which I've almost completed part of my album about Diagon Alley, but I think I'll be able to add some more. So this is just some Diagon Alley specific ones. And so it's interesting. And yeah, I think that'll be fun in my album. Stay tuned for that. What else do we have going on? Well, I'll set this aside because we do still have more to talk about from here. And it's more papers, Harry Potter papers. So I didn't have any of the newest Wizard collection by Echo Park. So I just went through and I didn't get like a whole collection pack or anything. I just got the few pieces that I thought that I might use. Now that I've already worked in my album some, it's kind of nice because I'm realizing what I like and what I'm using. So I got this one with the suitcases, which I really enjoy. And then, oh no, I should have gone through these before because I don't want to ruin the surprise of the other one. Maybe that's the only one I got actually. Oh no, here they are. Okay, and then I got, what other papers did I get? This one is Paper House Productions. So this side is like the newspaper, and then this side is the Deathly Hallows. And I think this one is new, or I definitely would have gotten it before. And I have a Deathly Hallows tattoo on my foot. Like, this is black and white. Like, this is totally my jam. So I'm excited about this one. I think I might have gotten two. I didn't get two. Why didn't I get two? I need two. This is another one from the newest Wizarding collection by Echo Park, which is Wizards and Company. And it's cute little brooms. And then it's just got the plaid on the other side. So I'm definitely going to use it for the brooms. And then I loved this one. Now, I said I didn't really like the chibi. That doesn't apply to Hedwig because the Hedwig chibi is super freaking cute. And so I love this one. So I got two of it. And I just loved the cut apart too. It's really cute. And then I'm doing a smaller version album. So the cut aparts are really great for that size. So this is fun. So this is the same, you know, on both sides. Love that. And I think that was another new one from Paper House. And then I got the sticker sheet from Wizards and Company. So I have the sticker sheet from their first Wizards collection. And I love like the size of the stickers are all pretty small. So again, really good for my smaller size album. So what else do we have? Oh, this is fun. So this is a little bit of a collection that I saw and I just had to get it. It's so cute. It's from Mente. It's a new collection. It's a baby collection and it's called Playtime. Now, sometimes Mente papers are a little bit difficult for me to play with, and that's because of this. Like, this is stunning. So cute. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the little fox. You guys know my son Lachlan loves foxes. Like, this is gorgeous, but like, how do you scrapbook with this? I mean, someone somewhere could probably scrapbook with this. Very lovely. Me, not so much. But I got them for the B-sides, and then I got the really cute little die cuts because this B-side is gorgeous. Like, look at how cute this is. It's bubbles, and I kind of already have in my head, like, I've got some bath pictures of my nephew Wally, and I think these bubbles would just be precious. But I also really love the stars too, and the red is like a orangey red, so I really like that. I mean, honestly, you could just like put this in your album as is. It's just so beautiful. You could also add in little pictures maybe to use it as is, to kind of blend in. That would be a little more difficult, but you could do it. I don't know. Maybe I should make that a challenge for myself to use a paper like that. But I loved this stripe that was on the other side. That's why I got that one. And I love these stars. And again, another scene paper. So cute and whimsical. Like a tower with these cute, I don't know what that's called. Banners. It's got a slide. Also cute, but I just don't know how to use that. But if you do, or if you know a video that does, please link down below because I would love to see it. And then the yellow stripes, and then another really gorgeous scene on the back. And you could fussy cut this stuff too. I don't know. Maybe I'll challenge myself to use that side of the paper. But I do think that yes, I did. I got the die cuts to go with that one. So we'll look through them just really quickly. It looks like their die cut packs are pretty full. And so the beautiful illustrations and the very whimsical nature of them, where it's like you're at a fair or whatever, you can get that from just using these, which is what I'll do. So there's bubbles in there. There's cotton candy. Oh my gosh, look how sweet these are. Oh my gosh, Lachlan is going to die over that. So, I mean, I got these because it's a baby collection and I have a baby in my life to scrapbook, but like probably going to have to scrapbook Lachlan as well. These are so precious. Look at that. A carousel, like a little camper. All these little animals are so cute. Gumball machines. And I don't even know what kind of drawing this is. Like, it's almost so realistic. It's super beautiful. I love that they have different sizes too, so that works really well with layering. A Ferris wheel. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to play with this with some mixed media. Like, this is gonna be really fun to play with. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this collection again is called Playtime, and it's by Mente Papers. Super gorgeous, stunning, beautiful. I don't know who designs this. Let's see. It doesn't look like it has an artist on here, but if you know the artist, leave them down below. They are, I mean, truly an artist. Super gorgeous. These little drawings are absolutely precious. Let's see if it says over back here. It doesn't. There's rockets in here. Made in Poland, Europe. That's why it's so beautiful. They always make the most beautiful things over there. Okay. So moving on from that collection, I also got this, and I was influenced to buy this by my friend Jessica Michaels because she bought it, and I was like, well, I want one because of course. So I won't like go through too quickly, but I do want to flip through it together. This is Bros Amazing, which is an interesting title, but it's photo play paper. And I love the colors, and I think that they're very, like, they're not little boy, so they'll go really well for my kids, even though I don't have a problem using little boy. Cool Bro, Lucky Dude, Where the Wild Things Play, yeah. Bro Club, oh my gosh, that's so perfect. Go Get 'em Tiger, Dude, Bro, Bruh, Brothers Make the Best Friends. Oh, so cute. So they have 2 of each, so I can use the 3x4s, and I can use the plaid. I love this. Video games, dinosaurs, cars, skateboards. Yes. Super fun, like gaming symbols on the other side. I love this stripe. I love, love, love that. Oh, and a good confetti on the back. Super love the colors. Very unique color palette. Hamburgers. Oh, this is very poorly timed. We have a cholesterol problem in this family that we've just figured out, and we might not be having very many burgers. Turkey burgers for us from now on, y'all. This is word paper, black and white. I like that. Let's see. The strong survive, brave spirits stay wild, long live boyhood, legend. I love it. I love the, that'll be good for a Harry Potter page, won't it? Oh, I love this black, a super good background color. We got some arrows with some good colors on here, and then a lovely blue. And then that's it. Oh, no, the sticker sheet. Sorry, that's not it. We got the sticker sheet. And I like their sticker sheets because they're almost, well, there's a lot of icons. They're not all icons. I'm sorry for the things I said when I was gaming. If that ain't real life, y'all, for sure. I did get the ephemera pack. I will say their ephemera is a bit big for me. Like these are good size. Like these are good. But like this right here, like this like frame, that's gonna be a challenge for me. But that's fine. I like a good challenge. I can do it with a good challenge here. Where we dropping, boys? I don't know that one. That's oh, I don't speak that slang. Stud. Like that's a big frame, right? But also like maybe I need to use frames more. Frames are cool. Why not? And that could be fun. Okay, so that is Bros Amazing by Photoplay. And so I had to do that. That'll be fun for my boys. That'll be fun to do. And then what do I have here? Oh, I got some new cutting pads for my Big Shot. I have the magnetic pad by iCrafter, which I have a love-hate relationship with. You can see here, it like, it's not the best. Like it's a little messed up, but on this side it isn't messed up and it does work well, but it tends to kind of push my dies into the top plate. And so it's not the cutting side that's leaving an impression on the top plate. It is the other side of the die. And so then when I'm die cutting, it's kind of leaving these impressions on my paper. And so I decided that I'm going to try to be a little more careful with that. Maybe go through a lighter setting if I can get away with it. And then try not to leave these impressions on my pads so I don't have to replace them as much. And so I can not get those, you know, embossed elements on my paper that I'm actually not looking for. So we'll see how that goes. I got these adorable sequins just because I needed to like round up to the nearest $5 or whatever. So these are mix-ups. The package is so full that you can hardly see like the branding on it, but it's like stars and little baubles and just a lot of really cute, fun fluorescents, which I really like. And I feel like this is called Stargazers. Buttons galore and more. And I haven't had these before, so these will be fun to play with and make shakers with. Yeah, I'm really into bright colors lately. Like, where is it? I just bought this phone case and, oh no, I don't have them, but I have my AirPods and they're like bright color too. And so I think it's just me being ready for summer. So I'm really into neon lately and I need to get some of that Gina K, right? That has the neon. Okay, last thing we are going to focus, well, anyway, layered stencils is coming up as a focus for us. So I got some layered stencils by Pink Fresh. I mean, I already had some, but I needed some new ones, right? This is one that I've had my eye on for a little while and I decided to just like do it, right? And so these are the rosettes. These came out a few months back, maybe a year ago almost, but I love rosettes. And I like the idea of creating these rosettes and then like, they're not like the real rosettes that are bent up paper. And so they kind of fit in a layout more, you know. I love a good chunky layout, don't get me wrong, but like Dad does tend to fill up our albums. So I think it'll be fun to play with these. So we'll do some ink blending with these, maybe some embossing, and then they come with the cute dies. Look how cute the dies are. I love a good intricate die here. I love Pink Fresh Studio. And then they have the little bits that go in the middle, like a real rosette, but then of course not, you know, like dimensional too much beyond the dimension that you can achieve by ink blending, which is really fabulous. So that is my haul for this month. Let me know if you have any questions. I will put links down below if you would like to buy any of this. There'll be affiliate links at no charge to you. And let me know if you have any questions. If you want me to shop for you, I'm really good at enabling. Thanks to a cherry on top, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.